Hey, these cute Art Soothes the Heart coffee mugs are available in the shop. There's a link in the description box. Go grab yours today. Let's go make some art together, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. In the last video, I showed how I did this fun queen layout in my art journal. And now I want to decorate the flap that goes to this page. So let's get started and have some fun, and I'll show you how I did it. So here's how that cute little flap turned out. I just love her, my drama queen. So on her crown, I added some gemstones and some flat back pearls, her fake eyelashes, and then I used a pen to draw in more eyelashes top and bottom, so she's got a really dramatic eyelash look, and those false eyelashes just are so cute and dimensional. I added a little tiny doll button to her jacket, colored in the words drama, and then did some shading around it, added some cute little stickers to her shoes that are like for doing sculptured nails to make her shoes fancy. So that is the drama queen. So she came from the set number 1 of the FaceUps, and she adds just such a cute little flair on that tab that then you flip it open and it goes to the queen layout I did and posted yesterday. So that's what's fun about this Tisha Moore journal, is there's a lot of flips and things. When you create it, you do these folds that create these cute little flips and places to decorate, and I just love adding those cute little details like that. So love my drama queen, hope you do too, and that this inspires you today to go make some art, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by.